Good afternoon, all the respected professors and scientists. Myself, Shranya Maurya from India. First of all, I am grateful to the organizing committee for providing us this opportunity to present our work on such a global platform. I will present this paper with my research mate. Our topic is Seaborne infections of insect-induced vein gall in Ficus religiosa trees. A first report from Ayodhya, UP, India. Now, introduction. Ficus religiosa is a species of fig native to the Indian subcontinent and Indochina. It holds immense cultural, religious, and ecological significance in many regions, particularly in India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. It is a keystone species in many ecosystems, providing habitat and food for a wide variety of birds, insects, and other wildlife. However, like all plants, it is susceptible to various diseases and pests. In Ayodhya, there has been an alarming increase in the incidence of vein gall infections caused, uh, caused by insects. This paper presents the first documented report of these infections in the region. Now, materials and methods. Sampling area. This study was conducted in Ayodhya, a city in Uttar Pradesh, India, known for its historical and cultural significance. The area of focus was Pakka Ghat, spanning from Ramki Paddy to Bhuttar Ghat in Ayodhya. The area has numerous people trees, some of which were severely infected by the disease. Now, disease specimens. Normal and heavily galled Ficus religiosa leaves of equal sizes were first examined and photographed in the field in every sampling, and the observations were recorded. Leaves at different stages of symptom development were collected in separate polythene bags and delivered to the biology laboratory at Durgesh Nandini Degree College for further analysis. Microscopic examination of collected samples were conducted to identify the presence of insect larva, mite, or fungal mycelium or spores. Now, results and discussion. A comprehensive field survey identified a total of 92 Ficus religiosa plants at the site. The majority of trees examined exhibited a high incidence of vein galls, with approximately 84.78% of the sample trees showing symptoms. Out of 78 diseased trees, 36 were severely infected, exhibiting 80 to 100% incidence. It is important to note that the disease was not observed in leaves of any young plants. Symptoms of disease. The affected leaves displayed woody vein that varied in size and shape. The galls caused by larvae were localized or extensively fusiform, solid, hard, and woody swellings on the midrib and side veins of the both surfaces of leaves. Young galls are green and turn brownish as they mature. In some samples, galls are isolated, but in most cases, many galls fuse to form a composite structure. Severely infected leaf blades were significantly damaged due to owning reasons. The infection of the vein gall in a peepal tree typically starts from the midrib and gradually spreads to the side veins. Early symptoms include the browning of leaf veins, which later become hypertrophic. Earlier, several peepal trees in Dwarka, New Delhi were observed to have woody veins in their leaves. Similar symptoms were also reported by Chaturvedi and Maheshwari in 1981 and Meena in 2019, who identified woody vein disease as being caused by an insect called People diplosis. Now, etiology of disease. Upon longitudinal sectioning of the midrib, various cavities were seen extending nearly the entire length of the gall, each containing a single larva. Microscopic examination confirmed the presence of gall was larva within these galls. Similar observation also recorded by Meena in 2020. Although we discovered mature insects within the veins, we were unable to identify them. We encourage further research to elucidate the etiology of this disease. Now, over to Tripti.
Thanks, Julia. Now, conclusion. The findings indicate a significant threat to people trees from in Ayodhya from insect-induced woody vein infections, which exacerbate the decline in tree health. This is particularly concerning given the cultural and ecological importance of people trees in the region. This study documents the first reported cases of severe woody vein infections in Ficus religiosa trees in Ayodhya, India. The findings underscore the urgent need for integrated management strategies to protect these valuable trees. Continued monitoring and research are essential to develop effective control measures and ensure the health and longevity of people trees in the region. Thanks.